Oh shit. I almost just lost it. Good morning, everyone. It is early here up in the mountains. We are doing some camping. We took a 4x4 road just way up in the mountains, and I want to take my FPV drone and just kind of explore this whole ridgeline area. So I'm flying the Get RC Mod 7, DJI Goggles 2, DJI FPV controller 2. Nicole is currently sort of breaking down camp. So first off, just gonna cruise up to the top of this. Doesn't seem like it's too far away range-wise. Right, go up this little gully. With this drone, I'm flying 8,000 milliamp hour lithium-ion batteries. They're a little big for the drone, so sometimes you get like a little bit of jello sometimes. Wow, this is sick. But you can fly for forever, so I am going to, I think, just fly over to this peak and then just kind of circle around, flip back around, and then do the rest of the ridgeline. Even when the drone is all the way up there, you can hear, oh, I'm like losing connection for some reason. Weird. All right. So I'm still losing connection. That's not dope. I'm just gonna rip this area. Not dope. Losing connection is not dope. Got really close to a little rock. So there is a bigger peak much further than the one that we can see right here up to the left. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to go to that because I genuinely am not sure if it's within line of sight. Anything out of line of sight, you're kind of screwed with FPV. So I'm just gonna look back at where we are. I think I can definitely, ooh, there's a cool trail. I think I can definitely go over here. I'm gonna move a little bit. Like that. Okay, I'm getting more yellow bars, which is sketch. Super not dope. Wow, this ridgeline is dope. I think on the next flight, I'm just gonna do that ridgeline. But for now, I'm gonna come down here and just do a little dive in this valley. All right, so that was a solid little like just tester flight just to figure out my bearings and stuff. Usually on the second flight, I do the actual flight that I want. That is the thing about FPV. To get one really good line, a lot of times you have to fly a bunch of different times just to figure out exactly how you want it. I'm currently trying to figure out where we are in the world. There we are. Okay. Man, it was so nice camping here last night. Alright, so I'm gonna get the drone down, and then the next flight I'm gonna go up to that ridgeline, actually face it. In between flights is actually a great time to mention the sponsor of this video. It's actually, the reason we're up here is because we're doing a bit of a shoot for them. And the sponsor of today's video is ShiftCam. Basically, what ShiftCam is just this massive ecosystem of phone accessories that are super easy to snap on and snap off. So I'm actually filming with the ShiftCam, so I'm gonna take my phone off. Right now, what you guys have been sitting on is this tripod here, and they just have a massive range of a bunch of other products. And especially for me, I use them all the time for these fly-throughs just because it's so easy to just put my phone up on a tripod. A lot of the other ones that I've tested are really flimsy and just not built well, but ShiftCam is not like that. ShiftCam actually just launched their Shi 2 ecosystem, which is a huge upgrade from their first line. In addition to multiple different tripods, they have a phone grip that I use all the time because it just makes your phone have that more professional feel and feel like a camera. And Snap Grip actually charges your phone as well while you're using it and easily snaps into any of their accessories. They have a big tripod, a medium selfie stick, and a tiny one that allows you to just set your phone up anywhere and film. If you're filming in a darker light situation, they offer 2 light options, a smaller one that kind of just flips up over your phone, as well as a bigger one that is way brighter and goes all around your phone. So you can just set all of that on your tripod and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a quick, easy, awesome ecosystem to kind of just enhance your phone and make it a better content creation tool, check out ShiftCam, link is down below. All right, so on this flight, I know where I'm going. So I switched to face the other direction. Okay, so we are off. Just made it over that ridge line. Now we're headed up to these mountains, and I'm basically gonna circle around over to that one, dive that little crevasse thing, and then come back. Range should be solid. I think I'm like halfway there, and I'm not even 1 kilometer yet. Range on these things, on these stock antennas that I found that's solid, is anywhere from like 3 to 4.5 kilometers. So I should be chilling. All right. Still a little bit of snow up on the peaks. And as I go up, I'm just gonna skirt this little edge because it's pretty fun. This is honestly just my favorite thing ever about FPV, doing these big mountain dives and just kind of exploring the area you're at. Alright, and we are at the summit of this little thing. Cool. I'm just gonna skirt this ridgeline. Oh shit! I almost just lost it. I don't know. I think I went without a line of sight. Damn. That was really scary. Shit. So if you are flying FPV and that happens, just punch up as fast as you can, because that's usually the best way to not have that happen. Woof. All right, so that's a no-go zone, definitely. But should be able to do this from what I remember. I can see that peak, can I not? Yeah, I can see that whole ridge line. Okay, not dope. That was very not dope. Okay, so I'm just gonna skirt this little guy and come down. And hopefully not lose connection like I almost just did. And then on this, there's a pretty cool looking ravine. Yeah, I think that is it. So I'm gonna find that, circle around, and just go straight down it. Let's see how far I can go down it. Pretty much to the end, okay. All right, let's do it. That was dope. Still got a fair amount of battery. Ooh, I'm losing connection again. This is so hard, honestly. It's not like the most ideal FPV situation to be flying where we're at, just because there's like loads of trees around everywhere. I think it was those trees up there. There's like a little bit in the line of sight, Nicole. That screwed me up. No. Yeah, ideally you want to be like totally open land. I think I have a little bit more battery. Yeah, I'm not doing too bad. So I'm gonna go back to the top of this and just do a little bit of ridgeline diving. There's a pretty nice little line right there. I'm gonna try to hit that. I'm gonna stay the frick away from that area. Yeah, so there's a nice little crevasse thing to try to fly. The one bad thing about these lithium-ion batteries is they're not super punchy, so you have to be really careful when you get close to things. But for the most part, they're pretty solid. This is a cool, nice jagged edge. All right. So I'm gonna come here, skirt around, whoosh, back down through here, and then out and over. Cool, so I'm pretty low on battery, so I'm just gonna take a nice easy flight back through the trees and then call it a day. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Definitely make sure you check out ShiftCam. Links to my LUTs are also in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.